Hello teacher, in this video I'm going to talk about vowels and consonant pronunciation. Here we have the IPA symbol vowels, and here is the first symbol, A. This sound occurs in the word was. A. This sound occurs in the word talk. A. This sound occurs in the word fan. A. This sound occurs in the word hand. E. This sound occurs in the word letter. E. This sound occurs in the word nurse. E. This sound occurs in the word need. E. This sound occurs in the word read. O. This sound occurs in the word boat. O. This sound occurs in the word look. This is all about vowels pronunciation and symbol. Now we go with the consonant pronunciation. Here we have this consonant T, and this sound occurs in the word train. When the letter T is paired of the letter H, the sound is one more time. And this sound occurs in the word thing. When the letter T is paired of the letter H, one more time, the sound is D. And this sound occurs in the word that. And here we have a ch, ch. And this sound occurs in the word choose. D. And this sound occurs in the word door. One more time. And this sound occurs in the word cave. One more time. And this sound occurs in the word fish. D. D. This sound occurs in the word ball. Here we have this symbol G, G, and this sound occurs in the word girl. K, K. And this sound occurs in the word cash. S. One more time. And this sound occurs in the word simple. Z. Z. This sound is stronger. Z. And this sound occurs in the word zoo. This sound is sh. And one more time. Sh. And this sound occurs in the word shattered. E. This sound occurs in the word television. Z. Oh, sorry. This sound is Z. Z. And this sound occurs in the word joy. And here we have the sound one more time. And this sound occurs in the word hello. Here we have the sound R. R. And this sound occurs in the word river. E. And this sound occurs in the word yellow. M. We have to close our mouth a little bit. M. And this sound occurs in the word mother. Here we have the N sound with our mouth open, and this sound occurs in the word now. And finally, here we have the N sound, and this sound occurs in the word king, the L sound, and this sound occurs in the word long, and wa. One more time, wa, and this sound occurs in the word walk. Okay, teacher, this is all about my video about vowels and consonant symbol and pronunciation. I hope you like it. I know I have to improve a little bit more, but bye bye. I did my best.